today, we address a pressing issue concerning Bollywood's portrayal of Muslims. For years, this industry has perpetuated negative stereotypes, leading to tensions between Muslims and Hindu extremists. Join me as we delve into the Kerala story and the broader implications it holds. Bollywood, a powerful cultural influencer, has played a significant role in shaping societal perceptions. Unfortunately, it has often depicted Muslims in a negative light, contributing to the spread of Islamophobia. The Kerala story, marketed as based on true events, has incited further violence towards Muslims in an already challenging environment. A Guardian reporter, who attended a screening, witnessed disturbing scenes. The film promoted Islamophobic themes, including the concept of love jihad, a conspiracy theory with no credible evidence. Shockingly, the ruling establishment has championed this film. Prominent politicians have praised the Kerala story, despite its dangerous implications. Mainstream news channels actively promoted the movie, raising concerns about their alignment with the ruling government's agenda. Bollywood isn't alone in perpetuating negative stereotypes. Similar misrepresentations have occurred in Hollywood and European film studios as well. It is essential for us, as concerned citizens, to take a stand against such harmful narratives. We must boycott Bollywood and any media that promotes hate and discrimination. Let us work towards unity and understanding among all communities. Embracing diversity enriches our society and promotes peace. As we conclude, I urge you all to be vigilant about the content we consume and support. Together, we can build a more inclusive and compassionate society. Thank you for watching. Let's reject hatred and bigotry, and strive for a world where love and understanding prevail.